Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Yes, sir, this is a real GTO. You rarely ever see these. It's a 1974, the last year of an era. They started in 64, ended in 74. They did come out again, I think, in 04 and 06 with a newer edition. But this is the first of, or the last of the original era. This is a body off frame, numbers matching, documented GTO. If you go to volocars.com, that's our website. You'll see all the specs, pictures of the underneath, copies of the documentation. That's all on our website, volocars.com, along with a few hundred other collector cars that you'll find for sale too. But right now, let's go back to 1974 and go for a spin in this GTO. I just bought a small collection of cars from a guy, really nice cars. I think this was his pride and joy. He could not stop talking about how great of a car this one really is. He said it was body off frame, rotisserie restored. Underneath, everything is virtually like new looking. It's all clean metal. The paint is far better than it would have been from the factory. It's called Denver Gold, and the body is absolutely clean and straight. All down here is perfectly smooth. You run your hand across there, you don't even feel that there's a gap. And it's clear coated and polished. All the trim, the emblems, the moldings, the glass is crystal clear. Bumpers are real sharp. The decals are real cool too. I love this stripe. There's a little bit of chrome in the stripe. And again, the glass is mint. Super nice. Rally 2 wheels with reproduction, wide oval tires on there. Interior is mint from carpet to headliner. It's got the cushion grip steering wheel. They did put some a gauge cluster neatly installed right here and a little mini tachometer under the dash. Other than that, it's all original and mint condition. My favorite part of the car is this shaker hood. This just makes it. This little flapper door actually functions. On a 1974 Trans Am, they did not function. This was blocked off. And correct me if I'm wrong, but I think I was told this had more horsepower than the Trans Am with a 400. This is a 354 barrel, and this has more horsepower. So in a lot of ways, it's a cooler car than the TA. And I love the grills are very reminiscent of a 67 GTO with the honeycomb and the turn signals. This is restored like new, completely stock. All the components for the shaker hood are there. The motor's all detailed. Got power steering, power brakes, everything. The fan shroud, the lines, the hoses, the clamps, the latches, the hinges. It's mint under the hood. It does have a retro stereo in the dash, and it also has the original AM radio. They'll go with it. Trunk compartment's mint, has a nice spatter finish, has a mat, a tire cover over the spare. The jack is mounted where it's supposed to be, and this is all painted. The jambs are nice, the rubber, the wiring. It's a mint trunk compartment. Also, check out the exhaust splitters down there. That's on the window sticker. It has the chrome splitters on each side. It is a dual exhaust. And if I didn't mention, yeah, I do have the original window sticker, and I think this one has the build sheet too. Go to the website, you'll see pictures of that. The dash is mint. The mirror, the headliner, interior light, it's all in excellent shape. Idle will come down once it warms up. That motor is just as smooth as can be. There's not a tick of sound coming out of that motor at all. idle's just starting to come down a little. So I was reading, I think it was Road and Track article. This actually could outperform a 64 GTO on a road course. This handles far better than the early ones. Maybe in a straight line, there's more horsepower back then and it would beat this car. But this thing really handled. I love it when a door shuts like that. These are very collectible because there's guys that collect GTOs. This is a part of it. This is a car they want in their collection, and this is one of the best ones in the country right here. So if a collector is out looking for one to fill the missing spot in his collection, this is the one. Or if you're not a collector and you just want a nice car to go to the cruise nights and car shows, it's unique enough. People are going to say, I've not seen one of these, and you just get a lot of comments, and I think this is awesome. So anyway, go to volocars.com. Plenty of ways to contact us. Any questions or concerns about the cars, shipping, the financing, insurance, whatever it may be, let us know how we can help you. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's the best way to see these unique, exciting cars as we put the videos out. I really appreciate all the followers that have been watching our videos, and do stay tuned. We're going to keep cranking them out. Thank you.